Awesome. Welcome guys to this video. On this video today, I'm going to show you guys how to actually truly copy and paste a trade, okay? And how to really mark up a trade. And I'm going to answer some of the questions that some of you guys have here on this call with me, okay? So let's say, and I'm going to use this trade as an example. I'm actually going to go on Telegram, all right? I called out this trade this week. I reposted it. It's right here. I reposted it this morning because this trade is still active. Okay. So I called out this trade. It's called new trade idea, Euro USD. Okay. Most of you guys can see my trading account. Some of you guys will get scared if you're down 3K, but it's okay that I'm down. Yeah, I have a lot of trades open, but these are all my swing positions. Okay. Not only that, but I'll show you guys, look, for this week, I'm up about 6,000, right? And I'll show you guys this so you guys can see, like, I'm down, but I'm also up. You know what I mean? I'm not worried, okay? But I'm showing you guys this because this is a precision of all of you guys here today. We could take this trade together. You know what I mean? And I called out this trade. When was this? This trade was actually, yesterday. I called this trade out yesterday at 12 at midnight. Okay. I called this trade out for a sell. And I said, hey guys, I'm selling now and I'm selling until this buying position. Okay. And now guess what happened? Automatically, my trade is in what? Look at this. I'm in profit. I'm in profit. I'm riding this bad boy all the way up here. Right. But I have a TP right there. And I'm actually going to guide you guys through here today how you guys could be able to mark this up. If you see it on the chat, you see it on a call, etc., like that, right? So if I see this here, okay, I'm going to open my application. This is an application that I want all of you guys to start using, okay? That app is called Trading. So I want you guys all to start using TradingView. And let's say, right, let's say right now I called out this trading position, and I'm actually going to open it up on TradingView. So I'm going to go here to trading. I actually have it open already. So I'm going to go to TradingView, and this is the trade I called out. Okay. And I want you guys to write this down so you guys have it, and you guys can always use this as a precision, and you guys can always use this as you guys are trading. Okay. This is very important when it comes into trading. First thing I always do when I come into trading, guys, I always make sure that I'm in the 4-hour. Why? I look at the 4-hour because I want to see the overall of the market. Okay. Overall, the market. Now, the reason why I like to see the overall of the market is because if I look at the market right now on the 1 minute, okay, I can't see anything in the market but what's happening right now. But if I go to the market on the 4-hour, I can actually see what is going on, right? You can see right here why I decided to sell last night, and I knew this thing was going to go down, okay? Because I'm going to share something with you guys here today, and I want you guys to really take notes of this. Today, you're going to learn, okay? You're going to learn today, all right? And I want you guys all to learn with me. So, as you know, the market goes up, and also the market does what? Goes down, okay? So I want you guys to understand this with me. In this market, you guys can make money 2 ways, okay? You guys can make money in the market 2 ways. First way you could get into the market is called a buying position. Most of the buying position is called what? Bullish, right? Now, the second way that you can make money in the market is called a what? Selling position, which is called bearish, okay? Now, as I know what I know today, I saw that this market did what? This market was here at this area, okay? And this market did what? Shot it all the way up right here. And then I saw that this is an area in a zone that this market actually has history. Now, I want you guys to pay attention right here in the market, okay? But I also want you guys to pay attention, not only just here, but let's take a note of this. when you're paying attention here to the market, this is called the reason price, okay? Any dotted line that you guys see in the market like this, any dotted line, it could be green or red, it means that that's the position of the market right now, okay? But when I look at the market at the 4-hour, all right? When I look at the market at the 4-hour, I can actually see what happened before. Anytime that I get into the market, guys, I always love to pay attention, and I go to the 4-hour and I look left first before I could look right. What does that mean? Because I know that if I look right, it's where the market is at right now. Okay, that's where it's at right now. But if I look left, I could see the history of the market. Does that make sense? Awesome. So what made me want to mark this up and be like, oh, shoot, this is a position where this market could drop. And this wasn't here yet. So I don't want you, I want you to think about it like this wasn't here, right? That I'm looking at this green position, okay? And I saw this. I was like, okay, this market, it looks like this is a resistance right here, that this market keeps going up to this area and dropping. Why? Because if we look to the left of this market, what happened here? We have a big sell market, right? It came all the way to the area where it's at, and it did what? It reversed, reversed, reversed. Boom, came here. As you see, is an area, came down, dropped all the way down again to the same spot. So I have 1, 2 touches, okay? And I was like, okay, boom. This came back to the same area. It created a W. I don't know if you guys see that W. But when you guys see W in the market, usually from the W, it's going to come back down, right? And I'm seeing it. I'm like, okay, I see the W. This thing has to come back down before it goes back up, because I want you to look to the left of the screen. What happened here in the market? There's a gap. Okay. Also, look at the past history. What happened here? Every time that the market was at this area, it did what? It dropped. So I knew that this market had to do what? Drop before it goes up. Feel me? Is that making sense? Or am I going too fast? Let me know in the chat box. If I'm making sense, drop a make sense in the chat box so I know that you're with me. Okay? So I know that you are with me. Okay, so I see in this area, okay, that the market is here. And as if I look to the left, what else happens in this area? Look at this. It dropped here. Okay, look at this. It dropped here. Hold on 1 second. Let me stop sharing screen and share it again, because my computer just froze. Yes, I understand. Makes sense. Okay, perfect. Awesome. So we were here. So the same thing that happened here in this market, okay? Same thing that happened here. I looked to the left and I was like, bro, it happened right here. So I'm like, okay, that's one definition that this could happen again. Then I look a little bit more to the left, it happened here again. So I'm like, okay, that's 1, 2, 3 confirmations that is gonna happen. Then I look even farther, right? I look even farther, and look what happened here. Boom. So history repeats itself in the market. And I was like, you know what? This is just a confirmation right here that this market broke structure right here and is going to shoot up. It's a confirmation right here that it did what? The same thing, came down, broke structure, shot it back up. What is it going to do right here? It's going to come down, structure, it's going to shoot back up. So what I did was, I was like, you know what? I'm going to take a short sell. And that's what I did. I took a short sell, about 100 points, and I ride it all the way down. I put my TP right here. And the reason why I put my stop loss above here is because this is the last touch that this touched. Okay. So how do I mark this up if I'm looking at the trade that you called out, KD? Right? Super easy, super simple. So I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to get rid of this. Right? Everything. And I'm going to pay attention to the trade. Boom. I got rid of everything. So the first thing that I do when I'm gonna come and mark up a chart is I'll see it. I'll be like, okay, I need to go. It was on trading. It was here on it was on the plugin chat, KD's personal chat. First thing that I'm gonna do on this is I'm gonna take a screenshot. Boom. I take a screenshot. I seen this screenshot to myself personally. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna send the screenshot to myself here on Telegram. Boom. Right? That's what I just did. I just sent myself the screenshot. And now as I'm looking at this, here it is. First thing I look for is what pair it is. Okay, it's Euro USD. So I come here to TradingView and I'm like, okay, Euro USD, I look it up or I type it in. The second thing that I look for, is, okay, what am I doing? What hour it is? It's in the 4 hour. So I make sure I come here and I go to the 4 hour. Awesome. The next thing that I do is I look at the market and I'm like, okay, I read it. He says that he's selling right now. I don't go to MT5 or MT4 and go sell right now. You know what I do? I come here and I mark it up. He said that he's going to sell right now. Imagine if we're just taking the trade, right? Boom, he's going to sell right now. I drop it right here. Boom. Let me double click on this line. I drop that line anywhere. And I look at the numbers. The numbers that I look for is this number right here, right? Where the red line is at. So I zoom in. Okay, the red number, it says that is in 1.07263. Those are the numbers that I'm looking for. That's the area where he's buying. Okay, so what do I do right there? I come right here and I put in the numbers. 1.07263. And I go to text and I put sell now. Okay, style is going to be red because we're selling. Okay, so I'm selling now. There's the price. Okay, then imagine if the price was there. Okay, we're selling. All right, that's why I called out that sell. You see, as the price is all the way at the top. Now he says that he's buying right here in this position. The buying price is going to be 1.06719. Okay, I'm gonna buy down there. Actually, no, what the blue line is at, not the green. Where the blue line is at. So I'll zoom in, 1.06698. Boom. So I come here to trading. I grab a horizontal line. I dump it anywhere. Click on it. Double click. Style, he has it blue. So I'm gonna mark mine's blue. It says buy position. So I'm gonna mark that up. Buy position. The numbers are 1.06698. He said that he's buying it. Okay, perfect. There you go. So I got my chart marked up on the 4 hour. Boom. Buying position, selling position. Selling, if I just getting into the trade right now and the sell is gone, guess what I do? Boom, I get rid of the sell. I'm looking for buying positions right now. Okay. And what do? I come here, and this is instantly what I do, guys. Write this down so you have it. Okay. Instantly what I do, I come to the 15-minute or the 5-minute. If I'm looking for buy positions right now, I'm going to go either to the 15-minute or the 5-minute. I'm going to go to the 5-minute because I'm going to execute this trade right now. Now, there's a little line right here to the left of the screen, right here, that says the forecasting and measurement tool. Okay, who here likes to trade with a stop loss or a take profit? Say I in the chat box. Right? Me too. So I click on that. Write this down. Long position means buying. Short position means that you're going to sell in the market. Okay, so I'm going to buy in this market. So guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to press long position. And I'm going to put this in. I'm going to execute this trade right now. and I'm gonna dump this trade, boom, right there, right? And you're gonna have this green and red line, right? Now, this green and red line have a measurement of telling you where is your stop loss and where is your take profit. Okay. At the beginning where you're trading, I'm gonna tell you guys straight up, have a take profit and a stop loss. Now, have a risk to reward. It tells you right here, risk and ratio. The risk to ratio that I trade is a 1 to 3. I'm willing to invest $10 to make 30. I'm willing to lose $10 to make $30. Okay. So this right here gives you your stop loss and also your take profit. The red means stop loss. The green means take profit. Okay. And you want to place this trade. Let's say right now, you guys all go to MT5 or go to Trade Locker and you guys press buy, right? It's going to give you a price. Okay. And I'm going to take this trade here with you guys right now. Okay. And I'm going to share this on my phone so you guys all have it. Okay. And I'm going to share this with you right now. And I know I'm going over on this call. So I want you guys to pay attention so you guys can learn this. Okay. So what I'm going to do right now on this call.
Recording in progress.
So what I'm going to do on this call is this. I'm going to take this trade here with you guys. All right. So I'm going to pull up Euro USD. Okay. On my broker. Right. Which is right here. Euro USD. I'm going to press chart. And I'm going to take this trade. Press trade. Okay. Now I want you guys to understand this. Market execution means that you're taking the trade right now. If the trade wasn't in my position for a buy, I'm not gonna take it as a buy right now. I'm gonna price buy limit or sell limit. Okay. So I'm gonna take the trade right now. I'm gonna risk 10 cents per pip. I'm just gonna take it because I want to take the trade right now. Boom. Enter the trade. Okay. As you see, my trade is right there. All right. So I just took my trade right now. My trade is right here. So what I'm going to do on my trade right now is I'm going to modify my position. And I'm going to come right here and I'm going to show you guys how can you set a stop loss and how can you guys set a take profit. Okay. So I'm going to grab this tool. In this tool, okay, this is very important for all you guys to know this. All right. I always love to go and set my stop loss on the 15-minute. Now, why is that? Because I get to see where the pass is. I like to base my stop loss of at least 15 to 20 points. As you see, automatic, this is going to set me up to 16 points. But I want to set it to at least 15 to 30 points. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, look at the points. 25, 26, 30. You see that? Now, I love to put at least 15 to 30 points because I know that I'm a swing trader. And my trade, it may come down. You know what? If you're trading and your trade comes down to your stop loss, your stop loss is way too close. That's what it is. And I'm going to give you guys a website here today that I gave you last week that you guys could go and mark it up, your take profits, your stop loss, and all of that stuff. So you can have a proper risk to reward. Okay. So I like to do 15 to 30 points on this little measurement, but I also don't only collect 15 points. I love to collect about 60 to what? To 90 points. So I'm going to collect 60 to 90 points right here. So I'm going to collect on this one 50 points. And why is that? Because I'm going to come to the same area where it kept going. You guys remember in the 4-hour how this thing kept shotting all the way up, boom, coming to this area and dropping again? Guess what's going to happen to this trade? It's going to happen just like that. And guess what, guys? Here is your take profit. And here is your stop loss. And you know what I do? So I can have it very secure. I take a picture of this and I take a screenshot and I have it on my phone. Right? So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take a picture of this. Boom, right here. I'll take a picture. Boom. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop sharing screen on my computer. and I'm gonna share screen on my phone, and I'm gonna show you guys how do I set my take profit and stop loss. Okay. Share my screen. Boom. I took the picture. Picture's right here. Now it tells me my stop loss. Shoot. My stop loss, which is the red. So I come right here. I press the trade. I press modify precision. I'm going to put my stop loss. My stop loss is going to be 1.06548. My take profit is going to be 1.06. No, 1.0, which is the green at the top, which is this right here, guys, is what I'm looking at, the green at the top, which is 1.07378. Boom, I modify my precision. Okay, same thing with this one. Modify my precision because I took two trades. 0.7378. Stop loss is going to be 0.6548. Boom, right there. Right? Look at that. Our trade is in profit. This is the trade we took right here. Right? I'm up 80 cents right now. If you took this trade with me, you're in profit, right? You guys can see this. Okay, I'm gonna share my screen right here. Okay, you guys can see this right here on my screen. Look at that, I'm up $1.30. Look at that. Your trade is in profit. You can see it right here. Buying position is in profit. Okay, go to the 5-minute and you guys can see that you're in profit right here. Boom, positives. If you guys took this trade, drop a 111 in the chat box. If this is making sense, drop a 111 in the chat box. Okay, this is making sense. Any questions on this? This is how you guys take a trade, you mark it up from any of the chats that you get it from. Okay, next thing that I'm gonna do here for you in the next video